Do you find internal communication and documentation important? Well, we do too. That's why our newest enhancement involves the ability to document comments and notes right within the patient's medical records. This way, the entire team can be well informed of what's taking place with the client and patient at all times. Adding these communication entries couldn't be easier. They're located in multiple areas for viewing and editing convenience. First, you'll find the message icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your SOAP records. You can easily add a comment by just clicking on the icon. If comments already exist, you'll see the current number of comments displayed by a numerical value. You can directly add to the conversation or just view the comments made by your colleagues. If a comment has been edited, you'll see an edited label, which will be displayed with the timestamp of the edit. These comments can be viewed from the patient's records as well. Click on Patient Records, and in the Actions column, you'll see the message icon. You can also view these messages from the patient health card in the Appointments section. You'll be able to see them directly under the Actions column as well. These comments will always be private and never be shared with your clients.